Welcome to a new video. You know that I'm not making a video about CPA marketing for a long time, but really I am during my exam time. I can't able to make a great video for you guys. For but now my exam is running. But today I will show you how to make a great, attractive landing page for your CPA offer. So suppose I should give you a sample in the video, so you will understand what you have to do and how to do it. And at first we have to create a CPA grip account. I have make a video about it. Please go and watch the video. So we will only choose this offer related videos. Sorry, video, not videos. A gift card offer, CPA marketing tips. So we have choice some, like there is email and zip submit, not credit card submit offer. We will choose only email and zip submit offer. So also you can choose the iPhone 30 Pro. It is currently doing great. So now if I choose this offer, at first I will choose a gift card offer. So gift card, I have chosen this gift card offer. Next I have to come on Google Sheet and write this. We have to make this sheet. Now here we have to give the offer name. I will copy the full offer name of it, copy, then here paste. Okay, I need a big box for it. Okay, the box is filled up. Then I will copy the link, then paste the link on the link box, Control V. Okay, country, this offer is in United Kingdom, so we have to give the country name to United Kingdom. I hope you are understanding my video, and if you are understanding, then please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. So now the is over, this is over, and the price free, or it's really free. Okay, on the next box I will have to choose a new offer. So now I will choose another. Suppose I have chosen this offer. The payout is $1.71. So copy the link, go on here, then paste it here. So we have to make this box big size. Then I have to do the same thing. Okay, so sorry, offer, Control V, price free. This offer is only available in New Zealand, NJ. So we have to copy the country name, then come at here, then paste it on country box, New Zealand. We will now total fill up the 5 offers. Okay, so next, pet iPhone. No, I will not. This is a great offer. Enter for a chase. Okay, so on the fourth box I will paste the name, copy the, and this offer is only in United States. Link I have pasted. The price free 5. On the fifth box we will choose another offer. You can also use the um, I know that is I can understand here. So offer vault for I recognize it that offer vault, you can use offer vault also for choosing those offers. The link I have copied, pasted the link, then this is a PayPal gift card link, so I think it's enough. The 4 offer is enough for me. Control V, price free, available in United States. Okay, my whole work is done. Now I have to click on share. Okay, now I have to give a name, suppose CPA landing page, save. Now I have to general access, there is restricted, you have to click on here and anyone with the link, or the link will doesn't work. Okay, access updated. Now copy the link, done. It's easy. This is a 2-minute working. And the next website we have to visit, spread simple. I should okay, so search spread simple, then click on the link. Now click on there is dashboard, but if you go with suppose I am showing you in a incognito mode window. Okay, new incognito tab, control V, go, then you can see that there is get started. So click on get started, then you have to continue with your Gmail. Okay, there is sign in, but it is not a problem. If you don't have a account, you can still continue with Google. Okay, after continuing with Google, you will be in the dashboard page. Now what you have to do is click on my websites. Okay, paste the link of Google Sheet. Sorry, I have to copy it again. Copy it, and anyone with the link, then control V, then continue. Okay, it will take some load. Okay, I don't know why it is not working. Oh, I understand. Now you can see the what happens. Okay, so we have to write it. Okay, So I have copy pasted, so this is not showing, I think. So I will write it again. I have to face the problem. I can't able to understand it. So I have find a solution that click on title. I actually, after making that, I have also make a second page. Now here I have write all the things. If copy paste doesn't work, then you have to write it. On the next, we will click title to the title in offers. Okay, subtitle price. Okay, text country. So now you can see uh, the title, the price, and United Kingdom free. Okay, keep images. Select the column. Okay, price. You can give price or offers, country, links. Okay, I have selected all. Then budget, offers, price, country, link. You can answer the link. Okay, then primary button is buy. Okay, I will buy free, and the color I will choose green, highly green. Okay, here's the color code, then enter. Okay, all of the work is mostly done, you can see. And click on the secondary button settings, then enable it. Same thing, buy free, then the color green. Okay, primary style. Okay, the field link direct to the when they will click, you should click on link. Okay, now you can see the offer is enabled, and all things are ready. So save. Now we can see that on the low page there is no problem with this, but here you can see the text we don't need it, but for the editing reason we need it, because it will give attention to the people. So gift card. Okay, enter. So images, then we have to choose great image. We have to download it, save images. I choose this image. Okay, what is happening, I can okay, download judge. Okay, enter. I have successfully saved the image. Then we have to design. Click on design, and we will change the theme color. Okay, theme color, website background color for from here. Okay, so if you write it, you can also use this, but it doesn't look great, so we will choose any other color. Okay, this is a nice color. Then header, what happens when header goes, okay, it doesn't need a footer, home page intro, etc. So now what the main reason is, we here is the image, so we will delete the image and upload the cover image. Click on upload, then go to download center, then sorry, what is happening, I think the image doesn't save. So gift card, search, unsplash images is available at here. I don't know why it is not uploading. Okay, gift card, here is some image about it. Okay, I choose this image. Now you can see the image in background is here, so the color of it is not matching with the image, so we have to match it. If I give yellow, red, that this makes the website looks great. Okay, so now we will change that. You can see the same is here, the same title is here. So paste title, win free iPhones and get your free gift card, and yes, okay. Now paste subtitle, so I will cut the all. Now now I want to upload a logo or not, is not needed. So if you want, you can give a description box here and many edited. So I think this is enough for our landing page. So when people now will come, you will see free and only in United Kingdom or New Zealand, USA, and then another offer is also on USA. So this was the video about. Now you can add more pages at here, more offers at CPA offers at here. So now I have to publish it. Go on publish. Now if you have a own domain, then connect your own domain, give the name of the domain, then save another thing. But for the free reason, you have to give another domain name at here, like CPA, not CPA. When you are promoting, then gift card for all. Okay, for all. Okay, so save. Okay, domain was successfully updated. If you now want to change the domain, then you can change domain. Okay, domain changed successfully. Now we have to copy the link. Now if I visit the website, you can see our website is total running with right positions. Now, so this was the video about. If you like the video, then please subscribe to our channel. From my personal request, please. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you. Goodbye.